Chapter 4. More on Windows 10. This chapter covers customizing the start menu, personalizing your desktop, other start menu options, Windows 10 taskbar. MS Windows is the most commonly used operating system. Some popular versions of MS Windows are Windows 98, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. Let's learn some of the features of Windows 10. Customizing the start menu. One of the most important features in Windows 10 is the start menu. You'll use the start menu to open apps, access commonly used folders, and a whole lot more. Because it's such a commonly used feature, you may want to customize the start menu to unit your needs. A brief history of the start menu. In Windows 8, the start menu was replaced with the start screen, a large full-screen menu. However, many users complained that the start screen was confusing and difficult to use. As a result, the start menu was added back to Windows 10. And while it's similar to the start menu found in earlier versions, it's also been expanded to include tiles, which were originally introduced in Windows 8.
Do you know? MS Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows. However, the most commonly used version is Windows 10.
To rearrange tiles. If you don't like the way of your tiles that are arranged on the start menu, you can rearrange them. To move a tile, simply click and drag it to the desired location. In this example, we'll move the Microsoft Edge tile. To make a tile bigger or smaller, right-click the tile, select Resize, then choose the desired size. Pinning and unpinning tiles. If you want to add a tile to the start menu, you can pin it. You can also unpin tiles which you don't use very often. Click the Start button, then open the All Apps menu. Find and right-click the desired app, then select Pin to start. In this example, we'll pin the Calculator app. The app will be pinned to the Start menu. You can remove any tile by right-clicking, then selecting Unpin from Start. To turn off live tiles. You may notice that certain tiles, such as those for the news and weather apps, are animated. These are called live tiles. However, if you find that these are too distracting, you can turn them off. To do this, right-click the desired tile, then select Turn Live Tile Off. In this example, we turn off the live tile for the Photos app. Other start menu options. There are a few other settings. You can change for the start menu, including viewing the start menu in full screen mode. To access these options, right-click the desktop. Select Personalize, then choose Start. From here, you can choose to turn these options on or off. Personalizing your desktop. Windows 10 makes it easy to customize the look and feel of your desktop. To access the personalization setting, right-click anywhere on the desktop. Then select Personalize from the drop-down menu. The personalization setting will appear. Background. From here, you can choose and customize your desktop background. Colors. The accent color affects things like the taskbar and the start menu. By default, Windows 10 will assign an accent color based on your desktop. However, you can turn this feature off if you prefer to choose your own accent color. Lock screen. From here, you can customize the appearance of your lock screen. As with your desktop background, you can use a built-in picture or select Browse to choose one of your own. Themes. A theme is a combination of desktop background pictures, window accent, colors, and sound. You can apply a theme if you do not want to make personal settings for desktop, background picture, window accent colors, lock screen, etc. Step 1. In the Personalization setting window, click on the Themes option. Click on the Theme Setting option. Click and choose any one of the available themes or click on the Get More Themes online option for online themes. Windows 10 Taskbar. The Windows 10 taskbar sits at the bottom of the screen, giving the user the access to the Start menu, as well as the icons of frequently used applications. On the right side, the taskbar features the notification area, which informs the user of different things like the state of the internet connection, of the charge, or the laptop battery. The icons in the middle of the taskbar are pinned, which is a way to have a quick access to applications you use frequently. Pinned applications will stay in the taskbar until you unpin them. Pin an application to the taskbar. Search for the application you want to pin in the Start menu. Right-click on the application. Select More option at the top of the menu. Select the Pin to Taskbar option. They will attach or pin the application icon to your Windows taskbar. Unpin an application from the taskbar. To unpin it, just right-click on the icon in the taskbar and select Unpin from taskbar. You can pin it back again anytime when you want. Notification area. The notification area is located at the right side of the taskbar. It shows different types of notifications from your computer, like your internet connection or the volume level. Task View. Task View allows you to quickly move within your open windows and applications. You can access it by clicking the Task View button from the taskbar.